Hello, and welcome to your daily AI news update. I'm Isabella Yuha, and today is Friday, January 2. Let's dive into what's been happening in the exciting world of artificial intelligence and smart technology. First up, new rules for AI are taking effect in the United States. New state laws about AI started in California and Texas on January 1st, aiming to guide how AI is developed and used. However, a recent order from the president in December might challenge these state-level rules. This matters because these laws are designed to protect you from potential problems with AI, like ensuring privacy or setting safety standards for AI tools you might use. The federal government's move hints at a desire for one consistent set of AI rules across the whole country, which could simplify things for everyone, but also means we might see a debate over who gets to set the rules. Next, Microsoft leaders have shared their big ideas for AI in 2026. They've predicted 7 major trends, including AI helpers in our workplaces, new safety measures for AI, and more uses for AI in healthcare. Why this matters to you is that it gives us a peek into how a major tech company sees AI changing your jobs, improving your health, and overall making technology safer in the very near future. Google is also making big moves with its Gemini AI. The company is working hard to make its Gemini AI model much more powerful and is adding it to almost all its products. Since so many of us use Google every day for things like searching or using various apps, a smarter Gemini means our phones, computers, and even cars could become much more helpful. It could lead to better search results, more personalized tools, and new, easier ways to interact with the technology we already rely on. In smart technology, get ready for more robots and AI helpers in our homes. Some companies are getting ready to test out humanoid robots that can do household chores, like laundry and washing dishes. Also, AI programs are expected to take on more complex tasks on their own. Imagine having a robot helper to handle boring chores around the house, or AI programs managing complicated work tasks, freeing up your time. This signals a future where technology takes on more responsibilities, making our lives potentially easier both at home and at work. Finally, governments around the world are quickly creating new rules for generative AI. They're doing this because they're worried about misinformation and questions about who owns content created by AI. With AI now able to create incredibly realistic text, images, and videos, it's becoming tricky to know what's real and what's fake. These new laws aim to make sure that the information you get from AI is trustworthy and that artists and writers are properly credited and paid when AI uses their work. It's all about making sure AI is used responsibly and ethically. That's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Isabella Yuha, helping people feel confident with new technology.